Hey guys, welcome back. I'm not gonna lie, I just finished doing the air filter replacement video for you guys, and I was standing back looking at the engine bay and I'm like, this thing looks disgusting. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean the engine bay the safe way. Stick around. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and spray all of this with engine degreaser, and we're gonna go ahead and hit it with brushes, and then we're gonna hit it with a water hose on light pressure so we can get all this stuff out. And then we're gonna close the hood, turn the engine on, and let it steam clean itself. Wait like 10 minutes on that, and then we should be good to go. So here's what we're going to be doing as a precaution though. We're going to go ahead and cover this here. This is the actual computer of the engine, the ECU, DME, whatever manufacturer name you want to give it. But that's the computer. What we're going to do is that we're going to cover that with a plastic bag. We're going to cover that, and we are going to cover, hard to tell, but down there is the alternator. The alternator can get wet, but considering how much water I'm about to put in here, I'll rather cover it up. So those are really the only two things you have to cover up: the computer and the alternator down there. Everything else can get wet. All the connectors, let me see if I can zoom in on the connector. Let's see. There. You see this one, for example? The wires are going into the connector. Focus. The wires are going into the connector, but kind of hard to tell, but there's actually rubber grommets in there to keep them isolated. So yes, this whole thing can get wet. It's just not something that you want to hold water pressure against it. So with that said, let's go ahead and clean the engine. Okay, I just had the engine idling outside for about 15 minutes. Let's pop the hood and see what it looks like. Wow. Yeah, it looks great. Much better than before. God, it's so much better now. That is clean. This trim here, back here. Oh yeah, much better. So now I can go ahead and properly show you guys what I'll be doing here. So thank you guys so much.